Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be starting the first lesson on making this beautiful, beautiful holiday limited edition three-dimensional vessel. Now, I let the fabric do all of the inspiration and beauty with this particular vessel. It's easy to make. It only takes about maybe 3 to 4 hours, depending on how fast you read the directions and how much prompting you need from me. And if you do need additional help, just email me and I'll be glad to help you. But what we're going to do is in the first video, we're going to go over everything so you get a good overview of everything that's happening when you put this thing together. I mean by this three-dimensional art vessel. We're going to go over how we use the fabric, and we have a supply list for you. You download the supply list and your pattern off my website. Now it's on the first page of my website, and it's also under shop. And I think at that point you go under vessels. It's free, you guys. It's a free pattern and free instructions on how to create this vessel. So that's what we're going to do. Is in lesson number 1, we're going to go through everything so you get a good idea. There'll be instructions on how to cut out the patterns, how you use the patterns when you cut out the fabrics and the stabilizer that you have, and then in the end, just a little bit of information about some of the embellishments that I use. So welcome to my channel. My name is Rita Lynn, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you how to make these beautiful three-dimensional vessels. So let's get started.